Hello everyone, my name is Dory O'Neill, and welcome to my channel, Master Affiliate Profits Review. Today, I'm excited to talk about how the Master Affiliate Profits platform serves as your license to print money in the affiliate marketing world. We're going to dive deep into the crucial aspects that can truly enhance your earning potential. Before we begin, I want to invite you to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any valuable insights, updates, and tips I'll be sharing. If you're eager to start your journey right now, take the free Master Affiliate Profits test drive at yesshowme.com/map. Now, one of the most important and difficult skills to master as an affiliate marketer is the follow-up process with your enrolled leads and prospects. When it comes to converting leads into paying customers, consistent follow-up is key. With Master Affiliate Profits, the frictionless enrollment process means it's relatively easy to get someone to sign up. They can join for free and start earning a 25% commission while accessing a comprehensive training course valued at $600. However, the highest cause of failure in affiliate marketing is poor follow-up. Here's the great news. This isn't an issue with Master Affiliate Profits. John Thornhill and Omar Martin, two of the most accomplished affiliate marketers in the industry, advise against following up with the people you enroll into Master Affiliate Profits at all. They've designed a revolutionary 90-day automated marketing follow-up sequence that they conduct on behalf of each enrolling affiliate. The best part? When leads make a purchase during that 90-day follow-up period, you automatically earn the commissions based on the membership level you're at with Master Affiliate Profits. Now let's talk about the significance of being at the Platinum level. As a Platinum member, you'll earn a remarkable 75% commission on your personally enrolled Master Affiliate Profits members' sales. But there's more. You'll also earn a 25% Tier 2 commission on the sales that your personally enrolled members generate. This means that while John Thornhill and Omar Martin's automated follow-up system is working for you, you're not just earning commissions from your direct referrals, you're also earning from the sales made by those individuals. This revolutionary approach fundamentally shifts the way you can generate income and makes earning money online so much easier. Now let's touch on the bonuses you receive for joining my Master Affiliate Profits team. You'll get the free 10-part YouTube viral funnel, which means I solved the first issue of generating leads and prospects for you. By combining your leads from the free YouTube viral funnel with frictionless enrollment, along with the automated 90-day follow-up, the advantages of enrolling with my team become truly extraordinary. Now that you understand the incredible potential of Master Affiliate Profits and my bonuses, I encourage you to take action today. Subscribe to my channel, leave a comment with your thoughts or questions, and give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you on the success side of Master Affiliate Profits.